Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm making consists of three items from the freezer section of Aldi. The main portion is chicken lao mein. I'm adding extra broccoli to it, and I'm only going to use maybe 1/3 of this bag of grilled chicken strips. Let's go. I ended up putting half a bag of the chicken strips, and I decided that since I'm adding extra vegetables and extra meat, I'm also going to add extra noodles, so I'm going to make this in a separate pot.